In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to transfer Luminar Neo to a new computer. Moving Luminar Neo is simple once you understand that there are two pieces to handle: the app and its activation, and your photos along with the catalog that stores your edits. We'll go through both so your workspace looks exactly the same on the new machine. First, get the app set up on the new computer. You don't copy the program from one computer to another. You reinstall it. Sign into your Skylum account, download Luminar Neo again, and run the installer on your new PC or Mac. When you open Luminar Neo, log in with the same account you used before. That login activates your license automatically, so there's no license key to type in. Make sure you're connected to the internet for the activation to complete. Next, manage your activation slots. Each device uses one activation, so if you're moving rather than adding a second computer, visit your Skylum account, open the My Software section, and reset the activation for the old computer. That frees up the slot for the new one. If you do want both computers active, you can purchase additional seats in your account. It's a good idea to check your available seats before you start installing so you know whether you need to reset or add one. Now transfer your edits. This part is crucial because your adjustments, albums, and project structure live in your catalog, not just in the app. On your old computer, locate the Luminar Neo catalog, which is usually in the Pictures folder unless you chose a different location. Copy the entire catalog folder and also copy all your original photos that the catalog references. Move those items to an external drive, a USB stick, or a cloud drive, then bring them onto the new computer. Keep the folder structure and names exactly the same to avoid broken links. If you're using cloud storage, wait for everything to finish syncing before opening Luminar Neo. Finally, open your existing work on the new computer. Launch Luminar Neo, go to the File menu, choose Catalog, then Open and select the .luminar neo file inside the catalog folder you moved. Your library, edits, and organization should appear just as before. A few important notes before you wrap up. Luminar Neo does not automatically sync catalogs between desktop computers. You must move the files yourself. Keeping identical folder paths prevents missing file issues. And for best results, migrate within the same operating system, Windows to Windows or Mac to Mac, since cross-platform moves may not work properly. With that, you're ready to pick up right where you left off on your new machine.